Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. Last night I put a bunch of mods and stuff, took it to the trader and sold it. They still didn't have anything I needed. I spent the night, I started over here, drove around the block, started clearing out some of these houses, and I decided that since I've never done it, I will try and go through the Shamway factory. Don't know how it's going to go, but we'll give it a try. I missed. I don't really need the food, but I wanted to see what sort of loot you get in here. I was hoping there'd be some books and things. I don't really need those, but I will take them because I didn't bring any with me. There's a lot of cobblestone in there. There's a lot of Shamway crates in here, isn't there? Being as it's a Shamway factory. I'll take the food and drink, I don't need the bread. And I don't really need the cobblestone, so is there a way to get up there? Somebody's awake and mad. Sounds like I might have a roaming horde outside. Alright, let's get... Where did I come in? Oh, there you are. Hi. Oi. No touchies. I still hear people out there. Let's go see who's out here so if they don't come in and sneak up behind us. I don't know where they are. They might even be upstairs. I can't really tell where the sound is coming from. Well, I guess I'll just close the door behind me and that'll give me a little notice if they're beating their way in. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Alright. Yes, I see you over here. Let's just deal with you. Oh, hey, there's a green guy, girl. Hold that. Alright. I bet if I jump on that, it breaks. Maybe not. I'm just going to read any schematics I get because, I don't want to fill up my inventory with schematics I've already read. What are you? An empty barrel. Meat and corn. I don't need the sandwiches. Although I think I could go for a sandwich right about now. It is a very cold day here in Colorado today, so I think I'd probably go for soup and a sandwich. There's a book we haven't read, The Great Heist. Well, that doesn't really help. Motion detection devices don't recognize me. Being as I'm playing on a single-player world, I'm hoping there aren't any motion detectors out there that are going to come get me. I don't know where everybody is, but hopefully I'm following the correct path through this. I'm sure if there are things I missed, someone will let me know. And I did put down some chests outside so we can drop stuff off. Let's get out the gun because I have a feeling I'm gonna be waking some people up. Oh, there's a lot of you people coming down here. Wow, everybody was hiding above the cafeteria. Back off, cheerleader, babe. Nobody else seems to be runners, but... Ow! No touchies. I mean, I get to touch you, but you don't get to touch me. Stop swinging before your animation goes off. I love the noise when you bonk them on the head. Oop, I missed. Twice. Okay. I think that's everybody. I don't need the wood, so I'm not picking up the chairs. I will take iron because I can use it to make more junk turret ammo. And most of this stuff will just be dropped off in the chest outside. Coffee, that's nice. Oh, hi. Wondered what that noise was. Blueberry pies, coffee, super corn recipe, which I've already read. Alright, quit falling in the hole. I want to search the trash just because that can have schematics, but there is an active vending machine. I did not bring money with me, so I'm not too concerned. Don't need. Let's go in here and check bathrooms. Don't even need to check toilets. Lots of acid in the sinks lately. Any more bags or anything in here? Now, the question is there anything above the ceiling that's worth hopping up here and having a look? Looks like there's a whole pathway through the ceiling. I think, though, that I am supposed to get up over here. Well, that didn't work. I bonked my head. Right, so there's a lot of breakable frames, and I have a feeling there's going to be people in some of these door things over here, so let's just go say hi. Really? Nobody in there. Not really sure which way I'm supposed to go here. Is this the bathrooms? No, that's back that way. Can I sneak under? I can. So what's in here? Food piles and a weapons bag. I'll take that. Don't need the steroids. Tier 6 iron crossbow, tier 5 pistol. Well, you can just hold on to that for me. And some more food. I have plenty of corn at home to make. Just run across. Okay, so if that's not the way I'm supposed to go, is it around this way? That's where I came up. So maybe I'm supposed to go. Watch me be the only one that gets lost in the ceiling. So is that the only reason I came up here? Was to get that little secret stash thing, or no, there's a way through over there. Alright. Oh, that's quite a lot of workers. See if we can't take a few out. Oh, he got away. Don't know where he's trying to beat his way to. I'm assuming I'm supposed to go down here. Alright, y'all all come over here. Sorry about that. Ooh, lost your head. Alright, I don't know where that guy is trying to beat his way to, but I'm hoping he doesn't drop down on my head. Looks like we go back up anyway. Hi guys. There's a lot of y'all. Make sure he's dead. Don't hit me. Alright. I hear you. I hear somebody. Oh, you're up there. Alright, let's see. Nothing else over here to loot. Hi guys. Is that everybody? Okie dokie. Let's see what's in here. Tier 4 shovels and a wire tool. A machete and more ammo. I don't need the chair. I got that. I'll take that. Don't need that. Read that. Clear up a space. A nail gun, repair kits, and wire tool. And I didn't even bring lockpicks, so we'll just beat our way in. It doesn't usually take too long. I don't know if we will make it all the way through here in one video, but I will definitely, well, I don't really need it right now, but I will probably come back here and take some of the concrete. Kind of full. If I repair some of this stuff, that'll clear those out. I don't need the wire tool. I'm thinking maybe I should take some of this. Is this bulletproof glass? Yeah. It really doesn't take that long to get through though. So I might just make a way back out. Although, maybe it'd be easier going through this. So I can go drop some stuff off in the chest. And hopefully this should still be clear. Nobody should have... I didn't even see there were stairs over there. I have to remember that when I come back in. Alright, let's go make sure nobody's waiting for us. And I don't need the glass. That's a lot of stuff already. I'll keep some of the food and drink on me. Although I'm in a Shamway, I'll probably find more. I've got plenty of ammo for now. I can come grab more if I need it. Alright, so before I head back over the other way, I'm wondering if I'm supposed to go up this way. Not that I can see how I'm supposed to get up there. Get off the stairs. Alright, can I pillar up here? I realize that's gonna break when I jump on it, but... Alright, come over here. Hold my club with your head. There are a lot of worker zombies in here. Alright, let's see if we can get lucky and get a headshot. Looks like more Shamway crates. Nope, don't. Really? You picked now to do the double tap? Like I said, I've not been through here before, so I'm not sure what like the proper way through is. Just kind of trying to follow whatever pathways show themselves. Alright, I see you. Just make sure I stay loaded. Alright, that's the stairwell down there. But I want to see what's through that door over there as well. If I get lost in here, send a rescue party. Alright. Well, I didn't shoot him in the head, but I shot the window out behind him. Would you stop bobbing and weaving? Looks like an office room or a lab or something. Oh, hey, buddy. Medical piles. Don't need coffee. Let's see. Dog food for making more learning elixirs if we ever find the stupid recipe. Let's scrap those. Don't want the jars. Don't want the paper either. Alright, anybody else over here? Looks like there's something behind there. Nothing up there. Blueberry seed recipe. I think I just missed falling through the floor. Where does that drop me? That drops me... Oh, well, I guess I'm finding out. Oh, this is bad. Nope, nope, not what I wanted. Here, buddy. Alright, well, I think I found where I would fall through if I, you know, stood on the floor and it gave out under me. And once I search in here, I will just pillar my way right back out. Lockpicks, still not going to use them. It's faster just to beat my way through. At least I have a good pickaxe. Alright, what you got? Knuckles, wood splitter, and steel knuckles parts. Let's eat that. Scrap it. I'm actually going to scrap those so they stack better. Can you hold another mod? Good. Hold that. Let's drink a little water. I want to keep the dog food because it's for the learning elixir, so... okay, so that entire floor is give out floor. And there's a piece of cobblestone sitting on top of my head. I don't need that, so I'm assuming I'm supposed to go this way. Ooh, there's some cars back there I never got. Alright, any vultures gonna come at me? I'm probably skipping major portions of this, but... Oh, that's a lot of people outside, too. No, bad zombies, bad zombies. Trying to avoid waking up the guys outside. May wind up waking them up anyway, but... if I sneak through here, maybe I won't. I don't want to have to worry about them trying to come in behind me and not knowing if they're coming or not. There's a lot of them back there. Ooh. Okay, don't go over there. That looks like it's just going to break out from under you. Alright, let's head in here. There's an ammo pile over there that I would like to get, preferably without breaking my leg or neck or whatever. A scope. Alright, let's put, don't fall off of there. Makes me clench just a little bit every time. Alright, I have a feeling this is going to be a bad place. That is a ton of landmines. Alright, I can see one guy down there. I don't know if I can get a headshot or not, but apparently not. Alright, I want to get the heck away from the landmines, so I'm going over here. Okay. Well, knocked a loot bag out of him. Oh good, more brass. Just what I didn't really need. Alright, that is a ton of landmines over there, and I do not want to play with them. Anything up there? Doesn't look like... I'm not going over there to find out. I will check the trash. Oh, I have to go back over by the landmines. Hello. Alright, so I woke up. Was it just him that I woke up? I don't know where I'm supposed to go from here. Ah, he got away. Alright, there is loot down there, but I want to come over here and see who we got. Hello. Oh, hey guys. Alright. I don't need to die anything. I hear you got. Oh, hi. Let's try out the axe. Whoa! Well, I'm not getting through there. Don't think I'm getting through there, so... I'm gonna go ahead and take that, just because it saves a slot. Weapons bag, more knuckles, and blunderbuss ammo. Thought I was done finding blunderbuss ammo. Alright, I hear somebody ticked off somewhere. I am sure there are major portions of this I am missing, and I apologize for that, but... Well, at least there was a schematic in there. Aw, do I have to go play parkour? I don't wanna. I'm gonna go boom and fall down. Speaking of falling down, there's at least one portion I missed over there. Looks like I have to go out the window to go around. Did I get that trash? Yes. Alright, let's get reloaded. And we're just gonna put down the I'm clumsy line of wooden blocks. And go across that way. Please do not fall off. And please don't have any buzzards come peck me in the head. Up the ladder. Okay, now am I supposed supposed to go do this part now? Oh, I hate these railings. One of these days I'm gonna hop too high and wind up falling off. So, can I not go any higher on this tower yet? Ah, looks like I have to jump across from there. So, yeah, back down, go down the ladder, please, down. There you go. Why do they keep making me do parkour stuff? Dude. You were no help whatsoever. Alright, everybody just come say hi. What's in here? Another bag. Don't need that and don't need the leather. I will eat that. And another one of those. And let's drink a goldenrod. Alright, so... Alright, back down the stairs, I take it? HGH. Human growth hormone? Ooh. Kinda makes me regret eating that can of sham just now. Well, this looks fun. Oh, this is where all those dudes were behind the stuff. That cleared it up, I'm sure. This is where there were lines of them behind the... And there's a ladder that goes down. Is there like a secret over here? There's a loot room, or a pile of loot over there. Let's see what's in here. A hidden stash. Ooh, yay. Just what I was waiting for. Okay, so before I go that way, I want to see what's over there, but I don't know if I can get back up here with it. I may just have to pillar my way up. If I can get over there without breaking a leg or my neck or... Nope! Ooh. Oh, hey, buddy. I think he's the one I shot earlier. Can I put another frame there? Yes. Alright, what's in here? Plastic and paper. Is that it? Yep, well that was totally worth it. Now I have to get back up to where I was, only I don't know how high up I was. I dropped down onto here. Let's see if I can... I came across here. Please do not break a leg, please do not break a leg. Trying to raid a factory with a broken leg I don't think would be fun. Alright, I want to make sure everybody's loaded because I have to go get all these guys that are behind the towers over here, and I'm not sure I can sneak far enough to see any of them. Because I think there was like 3 behind there and 3 behind there. I wonder if I do the ramp thing, if I can get... I can't even tell which way that's facing. There we go. If I do this, can I get... Can't get a headshot, but... Yay, more brass. Uh-uh. No, bad zombie. Y'all just stay down there. And no hitting me. Alright. see what's in the loot bag. Some food and some money. Let's see what's behind these. Nothing. Nothing. And I'm assuming there was a zombie in there. Alright, well, we made it over to here. Let's check this trash real quick. Sewing kits, duct tape, and lead. Might actually throw the lead out. I'm growing goldenrod. I don't really need that. I will hold on to this for now for healing in case I need it. And, well, I already woke somebody up, but alright, that's the stairwell. I hear lots of noise. Is that everybody coming to say hi? Well, yeah, kinda. This club does the job, though. Could you guys walk a little faster? Or not, I'll just, you know, break into stuff while you take your time. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Hello. Goodbye. Alright, let's go see what's in the rest of this. Those take too long to scrap, so I'm growing chrysanthemum, don't need it. Tier 6 wrench. Nope. Come on, give me something I need. Alright, doesn't look like anybody else is gonna drop on my head. I do not need 2 stacks of those. I think I have 2 or 3 stacks at home and haven't even used them yet. Scrap that, take that. Let's close that for a second. Well, if I needed jars, I know where I could get them. But I don't need any jars right now, so let's get some more ammo crafting. That's probably going to be more than I need, but alright, I don't hear anybody in here. There is a safe. Shamway lab safe. I didn't realize these safes were named. I thought they just said wall safe. Shamway and Shamway secret recipe. Well. Alright. I'm thinking I may need to go and empty my inventory downstairs before we head up. But I don't know if there's an easy way down. Although I think there was a stairwell right over here. Well, that's not an easy way down. And 2,000's not too bad. Let's keep going down. Oh, we're gonna have to do that at every level? Or is this the bottom floor? There goes an airdrop. I did grab one airdrop last night while I was riding around. Alright, so this is the bottom floor. That's good. And there was nothing useful in it. So, nope, didn't mean to do that. Let me have that back. And then start another chest. What do I got to eat? Let's eat a pie and drink a red tea. And I'm actually going to cancel that for now because I've got almost 1,000. And we'll stick the iron in there. Alright. Let's blow back up to the second level. And... or third level, I guess it is. And go... that's where I came in, so... I'm telling you, I could get lost with a map and somebody leading me. Alright, is anybody gonna drop on my head? Alright, so there's the torch. But I want to see what else is up here. Boy, did I tick some people off. Where are you guys? Oh, you're up there. Hold your head still, Goofy. Oh, bad vulture. Nope, bad vulture. Are you dead? Yes, you are. I just wanted to see what was around here. Okay, now do I go that way or do I go up the ladder? Might as well clear this place first. At least I think there was a ladder. I think Edgar was hitting on it. I don't want that. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go up here. There's a walkway around that way. Nothing in there. I am probably doing this place all wrong. Ooh, there's a... is that... that's just regular glass. Alright, what's the trick? Is the whole tower gonna collapse when I do this? That's in here. Come on, let me loot it. Let me loot the purse. Thank you. Ammo, thank you very much. Okay, so does this walkway just go all the way around this little building? Looks like. What about... that's where I came up. Am I supposed to go over that way? Or am I supposed to go back down? I don't know. I'm just going this way. I'm gonna go... I think it was this one that was the... okay, so I came up... I could have come up here. But I came up the little hole in the floor. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go this way and hope I'm headed at least mildly in the right direction. Oi! I did not say you could hit me. You either! Alright, let's go ahead and pop one of those. And get over here. Back in the stairwell. That goes on up. Looking alright for health and everything. I do have an abrasion, so I'll use one of those. Just trying to make sure there's no vultures coming. Alright, so I can go in here and take out these guys. Stay down. But is there a point to that? Is there loot here? There's a little medical pile. Animal fat. Alrighty. Looks like there's an officey thingy over here. Alright, so there's some loot in here. In a very bright room. Auto shotgun, iron spear. Working stiff. Sledgy, steel axe, wire tool. Water cooler. Anything hiding over here? There is a bag. But other than that, just need to break the wall safe. See, this one just says wall safe. I guess that one said Shamway Lab because it had the Shamway secret recipe. Alright. Machetes. And a spear, not bad. Alright, so... Ooh, please do not fall off of there. I kind of want to go back over to where I was, but do not want to break my leg. This game is so not made for people who are scared of heights. Alright, so I can go this way. This is that tower. And this brings me up here. Okay, so instead of hopping my way up here, I could have just followed the path. There you go. Oops. Missed him, shot the window. You dead? Alright. See what's in these. A potato and some meat. Drinks. Food. And honey. And a munitions box. Alright. I could do with some ammo. That's good. Alright, let's drink you. Eat you. Get rid of the paper. And I'm assuming I'm not supposed to go out that way, but I don't know where I do go. Maybe I follow this path on around to the office, where I just was. And where do I go from there? Is there a way out? No. Okie dokie. Gotta say I'm a little bit confused. Huh. So, where do I go from here? I gotta get up there. So I guess I just go up the stairs. Let's get you loaded. Oh good, more walkways. That's a tower. I wonder if that's where the main loot is. Well, there's a red light of death. Alright, I'm gonna go... Oh, crap. I want to make a safe walkway across, so let's do... I thought that would make it fall. I don't want to jump that. Because I know my jumping skills. So I want to see if... Why is it so bright? Let's put that there. And see if I can build a little walkway. Well, I didn't even jump onto that. Alright then. Maybe I should just try to jump it. If I don't, this is going to go really bad. Oh, this is going to suck. I didn't jump. Oh, well, I landed on the lower level. That's a good thing. And with that failed attempt at parkour, I think I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to go back down and drop some stuff off, clear out my inventory a bit, and then make my way back up here so that we can attempt that stupid jump again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions are always welcome down in the comment section. I didn't mean to do that. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated, and if you, I hope I see you guys in the next episode. So thanks, y'all. Bye.